this video, we're going to set up a Unity project for WEAVR and install WEAVR Creator using the package manager. By the end of this video, you'll have WEAVR installed, licensed, and ready to use in your project. First, you'll need access to WEAVR Manager. Log into WEAVR Manager with your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Downloads page. You'll see a section for WEAVR Creator. Here, you can download the latest version, which is always shown at the top. If you need an older version, you can expand the list and download a specific release. For now, download the latest Creator package. Once the download is completed, open Unity and create a new project. It's important that you use a Unity version that is officially supported by the WEAVR Creator version you downloaded. After the project opens, go to Window, then Package Manager. In the Package Manager, click the plus icon and choose Add Package from Tarball. Then, navigate to the weavercreator.tgc file you downloaded from WEAVR Manager. Select it and install it. After installation finishes, you can close the package manager. You should now see a new WEAVR menu appear in the Unity top toolbar. This confirms that WEAVR Creator has been installed successfully. Next is license activation. Go to WEAVR, then Intro. Click Get License. You'll see two options, online and offline. Online licensing is the easiest option and uses your WEAVR username and password. Offline licensing is used if you've been provided with a license file. For most users, online is the recommended option. Enter your credentials, log in, and once the process completes, you'll see a confirmation message. At this point, WEAVR Creator is fully licensed and ready to use. Now, we can move on to setting up the project. Go to WEAVR, then Setup, and select Project 4. Here, you choose the target platform you're developing for, such as PC VR, standalone VR, or mobile. This step configures the project settings automatically based on the selected device. Once selected, Unity will take a moment to apply the correct configuration. After that, go back to WEAVR, Setup, and select Setup Scene. This will automatically add the required WEAVR game objects into your scene. This includes the core WEAVR setup and multiplayer components if needed. This step ensures that your scene is properly prepared for WEAVR procedures and interactions. Once the scene is set up, you'll also notice new WEAVR panels inside Unity. If you go to WEAVR and then Procedure, you'll see the Procedure Inspector and the Procedure Editor. These panels are where you'll later define procedure steps, conditions, actions, and logic. At this point, your project is fully set up. WEAVR Creator is installed, licensed, configured for your target device, and ready for you to start building procedures. In the next videos, we'll dive into creating interactions and building your first WEAVR workflow.